香港天文台已發出3號強風信號，高速鐵路列車服務維持正常。The Hong Kong Observatory has issued the strong wind signal number 3. The high-speed rail train service remains normal.
香港天文台已发出3号强风信号，高速铁路列车服务维持正常。